Hey everyone, it's Gardening with Ben here in the polytunnel as it's about to rain. But yeah, look at that bindweed, absolutely awful. But nice flowers. Anyway, let's talk about what we're doing on our YouTube video today. So today we're going to talk about what you can still plant in June, as there's still plenty of stuff you can still be sowing this month to get crops all the way through to the end of summer. That's if we get a summer this year. But let's find out what we can still sow this month. So what vegetables can we sow this month? We can still sow beetroot. Beetroot, you can sow it straight into the ground or you can sow it into seed trays first. The choice is yours, but we can still be sowing beetroot. So fill them spaces up in your garden and get some beetroot growing. Next up is broccoli. Now, I've had a disaster with my broccoli, mine got eaten. So we've sown some more broccoli. So you've still got a chance to sow some broccoli if you want some broccoli to grow. Carrots. Now is the time to be getting your carrots in. You've still got plenty of time, so get sowing some carrots and see if you can actually grow some. I've never had any luck myself, but give them a try. Courgettes. You've still got time to be sowing courgettes. So if you thought you'd missed it, you can still sow some. Get some growing in pots and get them planted out when they are big enough. French beans, still plenty of time for French beans. These will crop right up to September, October. So get some French beans in. Again, you can sow them straight into the ground or you can grow them in pots first till they're stronger and then plant them out. Peas. Now I've got loads of peas in my ground growing, but obviously they'll start podding soon, so we'll want another crop for later on in the year. So now you can still get a second crop in, get them sown and get a crop growing for later. Radish. Now radish is one of the fastest growing vegetables out there, so always just keep sowing some radish seeds and you'll get continuous crops throughout all the summer. Runner beans. Now if you've had any trouble starting some runner beans off, you've still got a chance, but now is the crucial time to plant them as it's getting too late now. So if you're wanting some runner beans, get some runner beans planted and get them growing. Spring onion, again, grows quite fast. Get some spring onion growing, but grow them in clumps rather than in lines because they grow better in clumps rather than separating them all out. Turnips. Now if you fancy turnip soup, get some turnips growing. Again, you can either sow them in the ground or you can start them off in seed trays first. So that is all the vegetables what can be sown this month. What flowers can we still sow this month? We can still grow calendula. I absolutely love calendula. The colours on them are fantastic and they bush out and they look absolutely fantastic. The bees will love them. If you're wanting some winter colour, now is the time to be sowing your pansies ready for some winter colour down at the allotment or at home. Sunflowers. If you think you've missed the chance to grow some sunflowers, you can still grow some now. So get some sown, see who can grow the tallest sunflower. I've had some massive ones in the past. There's some nice ones on Amazon as well, which are like multi-varieties, so they're all different colours. Have a look around and get growing some sunflowers down at your garden. And maybe you will roast the seeds afterwards and eat them. I've never tried them myself, but I know a lot of people do like them. So have a look around and get growing. If you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a like, give it a follow, give my channel a subscribe and leave a comment. So until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.